Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge automotive technology with the highly anticipated Jaecoo J6. The Jaecoo J6 is available in several derivatives. Right now, it's electric only, but we wouldn't put it past China's third-largest car maker to reconfigure the platform for internal combustion power. There's a single motor with rear-wheel drive that makes 135 kW and 184 Nm. The dual motor with four-wheel drive setup offers peak outputs of 205 kW and 279 Nm. Plus, it has a claimed 0 or 100 kph time of around 6.5 seconds. Of far greater importance is the range. Battery giant CATL offers modern lithium iron phosphate packs, which offer ranges of 401 km, 472 km, and 501 km respectively, based on the China Light Duty Vehicle Test Cycle, CLTC. The largest battery capacity currently available in the J6's equivalent is 69.8 kWh. Again, it's too early to confirm the tech and convenience features that will be fitted in local versions of the Jaecoo J6. But the version we experienced had door handles that sat flush with the bodywork, a side-opening tailgate, a neat digital dashboard, as well as a sizable high-quality infotainment touchscreen. There are very few buttons inside. We assume most vehicle functionality is controlled through the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest cars and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.